Hello all, welcome to another quick learning. Today we're going to do regular expressions. So this is a new topic that we're doing here on the channel. So if you're not familiar with regular expressions, I'm going to go through what it is. So this is going to give you the first lesson, an introduction to what they are and how they're used. And I'm using the website regex1.com. You can see it here. And they have some nice interactive tutorial lessons that'll walk you through using regex expressions. So you would use regex in Python and SQL. So there's a lot of different applications for it in different programming languages. So let's just jump right into it. So this is lesson 1, an introduction and the ABCs. Regular expressions are extremely useful in extracting information from text such as code, log files, spreadsheets, or even documents. And while there's a lot of theory behind formal languages, the following lessons and examples will explore the more practical uses of regular expressions so that you can use them as quickly as possible. The first thing to recognize when using regular expressions is that everything is essentially a character, and we are writing patterns to match a specific sequence of characters, also known as a string. Most patterns use normal ASCII, which includes letters, digits, punctuations, and other symbols on your keyboard, like %, pound, $, etc. But Unicode characters can also be used to match any type of international text. Below are a couple of lines of text. Notice how the text changes to highlight the matching characters on each line as you type in the input field below. To continue to the next lesson, you'll need to use the new syntax and concept introduced in each lesson to write a pattern that matches all the lines provided. Go ahead and try writing a pattern that matches all 3 rows. It may be as simple as the common letters on each line. So the task is you have to match each one of these lines. You can see it says match. And then here's the text that we're trying to match. So if we just put in ABC, you'll see it matches those first 3 letters on each one of them. You can see the green highlighted is where it's matching, and if it's got a check, that means you've successfully completed that task. Now on the right-hand side here, there's also these lesson notes, which is a nice little cheat sheet of all the different ways and expressions that you can do regex with. So if I wanted to match the full contents of all of these lines, I can see that it's all letters, and they're all lowercase. So if I do A through Z, so in brackets here, this is, you can do a sequence of characters. So it can be any character from A through Z. And then if you put a star, that means it's either 0 or any number of these characters you have in the previous one before the star. So now you can see the green goes through all of the letters because it's matching all the letters there. So let's go ahead and continue. So this is lesson 1.5, the 1, 2, 3s. Characters include normal letters, but digits as well. In fact, numbers 0 through 9 are also just characters, and if you look at an ASCII table, they are listed sequentially. Over the various lessons, you'll be introduced to a number of special meta characters used in regular expressions that can be used to match a specific type of character. In this case, the character, so this is /D, can be used in place of any digit from 0 to 9. The preceding slash distinguishes it from the simple character D character and indicates that it is a meta character. Below are a few more lines of text containing digits. Try writing a pattern that matches all the digits in the strings below and notice how your pattern matches anywhere within the string, not just starting at the first character. You will learn how to control this in a later lesson. All right, so these are the different texts that we're trying to match, and we're trying to match all of them. So in this case, so this lesson introduced the /D. So let's just do /D. So if you don't know what this slash is, it's the one above the Enter key on your keyboard. And so you can see this /D matches the first numeric character in all of these. And also we could put, like we did before, the star, and then it would match any number of them. Also, I should note down here, if you're getting stuck on any of those, you can also hit the solution key, and that will also give you the answer. We could also put 1, 2, 3 in here, and you can see it matches 1, 2, 3. So, you know, if we do this .d-d, you can see it's not matching. because I'm putting in the wrong slash. Sorry. So do remember to do the right slash, because there's two different slashes. There's this kind of downward slash, and then there's an upward slash. So if I do that, if I do the plus, so the plus means it'll be at least one more character of this digit after these two. So I can actually do this, and that'll match the full length until it hits a non-numeric digit. All right, so let's just go with that, and we'll finish this up. All right, so we're done with lesson 1 and lesson 1.5. So if you want to join me for future ones, come back to this playlist, and I'll show you the next few lessons of this interactive tutorial. Thank you very much.